Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carson. Anyway, here on YouTube, on TikTok, and Instagram, Aesthetics by Carson. I'm probably going to change that. Today's video, I have a Lilith and I have a Lincoln, and they're going to help me. And we are going to reorganize my polishes finally, like I've been wanting to do. Because I got 60 new polishes from Beetles, which is in that box, and that's why it's sitting up there. And then I have some on my desk. And then I have another box, my first box I got. I have them all up there, and so I'm going to reorganize that and add the new ones, and then, intermingle them to whatever shades come up. I'm going to color code it, or color organize, because I like how it looks. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. I know I am with my little munchkins. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm a full specialist esthetician, so I do facials, waxings, manicures, makeup. I might make videos on that. If you guys are interested, let me know down below. And yeah, so let's get into it and let's get organizing. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, you're gonna hold your ball. You wanna show the people your ball? He wants to show you his ball. This is his ball. He got it for Christmas. Got hair on it. Got hair on it. Well, let's get into it. Let's get organizing. Okay, so these are all my polishes, kind of organized by color. There are some duplicates in here from number-wise, but I don't know if they're the same shade, because apparently Beetles might not do the exact same shade as they originally did on other balls. So at least color on top, even if it's the same number, does look different. So I'm gonna go look at my swatches and then we'll figure it out. These are all extra ones that I have. They're the same exact number that are the exact same color that I don't need unless I'm almost out of them. Then I'll grab it. Like if I'm running low on one, I'll grab that. And then I have black and white because I use that pretty often. And so I have my old black and white, and then I have my new black and white over here, and my sheer white. And then the rest are brand new colors I don't have. And then, oh, and then this is a sheer black that I have that I got recently to do. You've seen like the little lacy black pattern nails. I did a test swatch on one. I'll probably end up showing y'all later on, but yeah, so that's kind of why I bought it. And then these are tops, glossy top, base gel, matte top coats, and then these are kind of all different ones. I still haven't been able to use this, which is 3D sculpting gel. I have this, and I have a pot version that I got, because I tried using this, but it didn't work as good as I was hoping, or at least my technique wasn't on point for it. And then I have more of these. I have about 12 of them. They're in my case over here because I don't have enough shelf size. I don't have enough shelves to use yet, so that's why I kind of just keep it in there. At least this one's out just because I use it a lot, and I have used it recently, so that's why it's out. And then this is the cat eye one. I keep it in the box just because the magnet. So I'm just gonna, I know which one it is, so I just keep it in there at least. And then yeah, so let's get putting on the shelf as many as we can. Hopefully we can put majority of them. A lot of it's gonna be 4x4 or 4 by whatever. I think it's like 40 something can fit on each shelf. So we're gonna see how many we can get of these because they're 60 each. And then whatever I can't, I'll figure out how I want to do it until I can get new shelves tomorrow. So let's get organizing. Also, I wanted to bring up, I don't know if you guys are into K-dramas or anything, but there's this one on Netflix called Queen of Tears. This one I've been watching lately. Because I thought it was going to be funny just by like the little preview that Netflix does. It's good. It also wants to make you cry. It's kind of like one of those kinds. It's sweet. It's a really sweet one. I just forgot his name. He played in Squid Games the new season, and he was the transgender character in the new season, and he is such a good actor because I loved him in Squid Games, and then now I found out that it was him in this show. But I hate his character so much in this. If you know, you know. Like, if you watch the show, you know, you know. But I hate him in this. And then I love him in Squid Games. And then I found out also he's in Gunjam, which is about like a asylum in Korea. And he was in that. And I didn't like him in that because he was an ass. And yeah, so I just wanted to bring that up. If y'all watch that, let me know. I might make a video on my other channel talking about the whole series because I'm curious. I'm on the last episode right now. I'm like at the beginning of it, so I don't know if they're going to continue it. They might not because they're like hour-long episodes, so it might just be like a limited series. What are you doing? He's just rubbing on his back. He's just flopped over. It's Lincoln. He's just flopped over on his back. He's so weird. I love you, but you are weird. You're a little weird nugget. But yeah. So let me know. I don't know if they're gonna make more, but I really like this. And then there's another one I'm gonna watch called Frog that looked really good. And if you have any suggestions on K-dramas, let me know. Because at least right now Netflix is where I'm looking at the moment, just because. But then there's one called No Pain No Love, I think, on Prime. That I've seen like little pictures of it. You have something on your butt. Lincoln, what are you doing? If you guys got any more recommendations for K-dramas, let me know. I'm curious. I'm gonna get to organizing. I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna get organizing, and then I'm gonna finish this series while I'm doing it. And yeah, so let's do it. Okay, change of outfit because I didn't realize I didn't film the outro to this video. But it is all set up now on those two shelves. We did go to Five Below, but they did not have any of the shelves anymore, at least at the one we went to. And I've also had them for a handful of years, so maybe they just don't sell them anymore. We did go to Target too, but Target only had like one set of shelves, and they were like $20. It was just one, and I was like, yeah, I'm not paying $20 for that. So I might just have to order more on Amazon, but that's fine. At least I found one that's like the same size, and I get about 6 of them for the price of the one set at Target. So I'm probably going to do that. But I don't really need them at the moment because all the extra polishes, I put them in this drawer right here because I could fit all in there, and it's just like a handful of extra little ones that couldn't fit up there. But yeah, I'll eventually get it because I'll get more polishes so I can hang them up there. And if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Go check out, hello Lilith. Hello Munchkin. She's running around being crazy. Go check out my other videos as well. I'm starting to post again. I'm having fun doing this, and I love filming. The only thing I don't love about it is editing. That's the only thing I hate about when I make videos is the time process of editing. I can film great, get things done great. Editing takes me a whole minute to do, and then whatever else I want to do. But anyways, if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Aesthetics by Carson, and I will be talking about skincare and facials and waxings and a whole bunch of other stuff very soon. If you guys want me to talk about anything specific or to cover anything specific, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!